Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And on today's video, we are going to do exercises using hadid, what they call here in the Middle East, or the weight machines. Now first off, we have this machine is called lat pull down or seated row machine, commonly used for upper body exercises. Later on, we'll show you video on how to use that machine properly. And next we have leg press or calf raise machine, and commonly used for lower body. Here you go. And we have another one here. There, for outer or inner thigh exercise machine. This exercise that we're seeing is what we call a supinated lat pull down exercise. First, choose the appropriate weight and make sure to straighten your back, chest out, and as you can see, arms are slightly close to each other. When you pull down the weight, your elbows are behind your back, and when you release the weight, your arms are slightly bent. 1 second for pull and 2 seconds when you release, and do it slowly. The target muscles are shoulder and lat. Exercise is what we call pronated lat pull down exercise. So make sure to have a proper posture. Also choose the appropriate weight. Slightly lower your body, as you can see what she does. Chest out, arms wide apart this time. And when you pull down the weight, your elbows are behind your back, and extend your arms when you release the weight. Do it slowly again. And your latissimus dorsi or lat is your target muscle, which is located in the middle of your back. Next exercise is what we call seated row exercise. Again, choose the appropriate weight. Sit upright and plant your feet on the ground or foot pads. Knees bent. Extend your arms and hold the handle or cable. Exhale when you pull. Inhale and slowly extend your arms. Also do it slowly, and the target muscle is the back muscles in general, particularly the latissimus dorsi. The leg press exercise. Now choose the appropriate weight and set the seat so that the knees are bent just over right angles. Position your feet about shoulder width apart and try to push through your heels, keeping the knees lined up over the toes. Extend the legs until nearly straight and avoid locking the knees. Exhale when you bend your knees and inhale when you extend your knees. Do it slowly. Target muscles are quadriceps or quads. It's a calf raise exercise. Sit down on the leg press machine. Choose the appropriate weight and slide your feet down so that the balls of your feet are pressing against the rack with your heels hanging free. Press up and flex your toes, and then slowly bring your toes back towards your body. Perform these movements slowly for maximum benefit, and your target muscles are calves. On is a hip abduction exercise. Choose the appropriate weight and sit properly and straight your back. Place both your legs inside and open your legs as wide as you can and slowly bring to its original position. The target muscle for this exercise is your outer thigh. Hip adduction exercise. Choose the appropriate weight, and sit properly and straight your back. Place your legs outside this time and slowly widen your hips and set the appropriate number. Close your legs and slowly release the weight to bring back your legs back to its original position. And the target muscle of this exercise is your inner thigh. Our last exercise for today is using a declined abs bench. So this is an abs exercise using a declined bench. Make sure to secure your feet on the foot pads. Perform sit-ups exercise. Also do it slowly. Remember, quality versus quantity. Do not rely on the number or speed of your workout. Always do it right. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you again for watching our videos. I hope you like them, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye!